without sound, without speech. Dark clouds in the air, in the dirt, in the air. Dark clouds in the air.
Hey, gravel on a bend. Hello. Is she gesturing to me or to the sheep? Okay. Alright, oh, it's alright, sorry. Oh dear. There's the women with the wheelbarrow, the woman leading the sheep, and all the fellas. We saw about 5 of them all sitting down in the shade of a shop, chit-chatting and drinking. Quite bumpy road this, I need to keep the speed down. Which is fine, because it's very scenic. Let's put it here, look. There's a little bit of shade, and I'm next to the river. Whoa. And more rubbish. Quite all these sort of rubbish tips. Slinging a load of rubbish, look at here. So, right. Oh. Hey. There we go. Yeah. Whew. Be careful for that kind of thing. Most of the time there's very little traffic, but then you always got to be ready for a articulated lorry. Okay. Oh, we find ourselves back on bloody gravel. What is it with Bosnian main roads? Yellow, not the little side roads. It's become gravel. It's not too bad at the moment, as long as it doesn't get. Whoa, I can feel it like slipping there. Flipping it. Gotta go careful. Find the smoothest line through this. Oh, this lot. Oof. Those big GS BMW bikes have big knobbly tyres. They'd be fine on this sort of thing, not with me with a road bike. Ooh. Oof. Taking it easy. Oh, fuck's sake. Right, I'm not alone then. Oh. Come on, let's get round the corner and have a bit of paved. Oh, for fuck's sake. Get hell. That's a fucking great insect straight in my bloody helmet or in my mouth. I think he's gone. Fuck me. Ah. Okay. Alright, I'm putting the visor down. That's a bit off-putting when you get a bloody great long-legged thing into the helmet, then round by my chin, stuck in the helmet by my chin. Cool. It's all fun, isn't it? Blimey. Look at what's going on here. Alright, first gear. Oh. Right. Oof. Oh, I've got to open my visor. I'm bloody sweltering. I'll put my tinted one down. Cracking view. Oh god. Alright, let's just get past him. Alright, let's just walk it past. Thank you. Oh. Imagine that, man, the digger dumping a load of rocks on top of me as well. Oh, ouch. Stabbed by a bloody branch then. Ow. Oh. Look. Look. Oh, fucking joy. Oh. Joy. Alright, well done bike, we made it. Oh, look at that big black cloud, man. Yeah, a few drops of rain. Okay. Quite a gorge this is. This is still Bosnia and Herzegovina, heading towards the Serbian border. I'm anticipating having to get all my documents out of the Serbian border. I did last time. Not just passport, they want a vehicle registration and insurance documents and stuff. That's okay though. Side of the road, mate. Jeez. You do have to look out for that quite a bit. People cut in the bends.